Hey Alejandro, this is Jackie out with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with you briefly last week about me shooting you over this little 5-minute custom website audit video based on your current website, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC companies DFW. This top section up here is the ad section, so these people are paying to be here. As you can see, it says sponsored. This begins the Google Map Pack section. If you're not part of that, we'd go ahead and add you. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how you're ranking on your website in comparison to how you're ranking on here. And this begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranks begin. So as you can see, this top link is a directory link for Angie's List. So I'm going to go with the first independent link below that, which is Baker Brothers. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to Baker Brothers. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So what is content? Content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website, but I'm going to focus on the home page. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grab all of the content off of this home page, and I'm going to place it into a word counter. As you can see, they have about 1,800 words of content on their home page, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same for your website. So I'm going to grab yours, put it in there. You have about 500 words of content. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to slip keywords into that and to populate you in more Google searches. So what is a keyword? A keyword are these little phrases that people type into Google to bring you up. So the way that comes about and the story behind it is you essentially find the top keywords within your area for your specific service, see what's searched the most, and you go ahead and incorporate that into all of your content on your homepage, which is going to populate you in those Google searches. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab each of your websites and stick it into Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool that I use. I just want you to take a look briefly at the traffic value they have over here, the organic keywords, and the backlinks. And then I want you to go ahead and look at yours and see there's a little bit of a discrepancy, but that of course means room for improvement. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at their organic keywords and see what they have going on. So air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, AC repair Dallas. So these are all really good keywords with the locations attached. I want you to go ahead and take a look at this top one, central air conditioning repair. There's not a location attached and it has a really high search volume. So this is actually a nationwide keyword. What that means is that someone in Oregon per se could Google this and it would possibly populate this website. Is that the kind of traffic we want to generate for you? Not really, because it's not going to bring you a customer. It's not going to make you any money. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane, flying to Oregon, it's not really what we're looking for. So we want to stick to the ones with the locations attached and your local keywords. That's going to bring you people who are searching for that service within that area and are looking to purchase and pay for it. So I'm going to go ahead and look. You have 3 organic keywords. Let's see what you have. So you have air conditioning repair, Azle, Texas, and AC repair, Weatherford. So there's so much more we could do there. You're missing out on so many areas you could target and be bringing in that service for. So that leads me to our third topic that we're going to talk about, which are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere throughout the internet where this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is placed 87 times. What that means is it's basically publicity for us. It provides 87 opportunities for us to be seen, to be heard, to gain more traffic, etc. So if you look at yours, you have 32. Not all backlinks are created equal. We don't have to necessarily have 88 to beat them. We go for higher quality, stronger power backlinks. So what we do is we go ahead and we would add you to all of the backlinks that they have, and then that would put us on an even playing field. And then we would go back month after month and continue adding and continue building, and that is how you essentially begin climbing the ranks on Google. That being said, Alejandro, I hope this video was informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own into your current website, or as always, please reach out to me. I would love to help you, guide you, etc. So I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.